Make a perfect apple pie. And we're gonna put the apples in to wash
I didn't know she could climb
and
up the
peel.
stairs.
One reason I use the apple peeler is because I have arthritis in my hands, and it's easier for me to have the peeler instead of using my hand to peel them. And you wash your apples, and then you put your apple on the end and you start rolling. And this will take the core out. Take your skin off. And we've got the first apple done, and then what you're gonna do is like cut these just like you were in half. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
And that way, that goes in your pie. Okay, there's your knife. I'll get you a cutting board here.
Just keep turning and it'll go right in. Very good. Comes right off. That's so crazy.
And we're gonna put the ingredients that go into your pie. You're gonna need 3/4 to a cup of sugar for your apples. Okay? Now this is a half a scoop right here, I know that. So we were gonna put that around. And I like my apples sweeter. So there is a cup. And then you need 2 tablespoons of flour. Just kind of knock it off. And then you need a teaspoon of cinnamon. And a dash of nutmeg.
So what's a dash?
Okay, I just kind of guess at it. I take my, I don't have my glasses. Did I have 1/4?
Yeah, 4 teaspoon.
Okay, I just do maybe 1/8.
Okay.
I do a pinch.
So I've
I
never
put
been
it in my-
sure what
I put it in my hand and I take a pinch into it.
Yeah.
And, well, a dash of salt. 3 cups of flour.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you usually use? This thing?
Yeah, I use that
Okay.
to fill it up. Egg.
Just crack it in the bowl.
Yeah.
Why are you cracking it in the bowl, Mom?
And now you need.
Got an eggshell in there.
Okay, let's get that out. A spoon of vinegar.
Okay.
And what I do is I'll pour it over the cup in case it spills out.
Smart.
You know
I
what
wouldn't
I
have.
mean?
I wouldn't have done that.
And then you can put it right in with the egg.
need 6 tablespoons of cold water, or do you mix it first?
I mix that together first. Okay. One. Mixing. You're shortening into your flour. You've got to get it.
So what's this tool?
Pastry blender.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna let you do it for the liquid. Over. And we're gonna mix it now with the fork.
It's kind of like
You
mash
wanna,
it in.
yeah, you wanna mix it together?
Okay.
That's right.
Oh, lefty.
Oven to 400.
Which one? This one?
This one. The other way. Okay. We're gonna,
Now what's this thing?
this is the sifter, the sifter. And we're gonna put our pie dough. Oh, I just pulled it
Oh,
out.
I was like, oh no.
Did you just half that?
Yeah, but I'm gonna take a little more. Well, I don't know. You need more for your bottom. Now you're kinda gonna need that flour in.
How long do we need it for?
Well, you don't want it too stiff because the flour will make it stiff. Okay, Sam, we're gonna roll the pie dough out now. And you want to roll from the center to the outside.
How thick do you want it?
Well,
Does that usually depend?
yes.
Okay.
And when it starts sticking,
Now we're gonna have to make sure that goes together if you get a split, because your juices will go down in the bottom. You made that look so easy though. I've never done that before.
you've got your bottom crust. So now you're gonna pour your apples over into the crust. Yes.
Yeah, and roll from the, yeah, if it's second, yeah. Yep. Very good. Look at you go.
The oven is ready.